Baking soda for dark spots. How to get rid of dark acne scars using baking soda. How to treat your skin with the household ingredient baking soda can be used as a face mask, a scrub applied directly to spots, or added to existing beauty products. Breakouts are one of the most common skin problems, with the majority of people grappling with a spot at some point in their life. Baking soda is a natural alkaline which helps neutralize the acidity of skin during a breakout. Baking soda is a natural alkaline which helps neutralize the acidity of skin during a breakout. How to get rid of acne scars using baking soda. While numerous brushes, pills, and creams exist to try and clear up blemishes, one common ingredient you probably have in your kitchen cupboard can help fight acne. Baking soda is commonly used to make cakes, but it is versatile ingredient and has properties which make it beneficial in beauty products. Otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline and counteracts your skin's acidity during a breakout, helping neutralize the pH levels in your skin. Baking soda helps fade acne scars and pigmentation, reducing their appearance. Not just acne, it also be used to calm down sunburn and other forms of irritation. Not just acne, the white powder is an anti-inflammatory which will help soothe redness and reduce swelling. The powder helps to absorb any excess oil from your skin, which dries out spots and makes it less likely you will break out. This aids the healing process and should reduce against developing scars. The powder itself acts as a natural exfoliant, and when used on the face as a scrub, cleans out dirt and dead skin from pores, helping to prevent against flare-ups by keeping your skin free from bacteria. Because it is a natural ingredient, it can cause less irritation than some products on the market, as it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals or agents. Baking soda has common ingredient you probably have in your kitchen cupboard. Baking soda common ingredient helps to treat your skin with a household ingredient. You make your own homemade cleanser with baking soda or add it to existing products, but you don't use it every day, as it will likely to be harsh on your skin. One way to apply baking soda is to use as a face mask. Using no more than 2 tablespoons of baking soda, mix this with warm water to form a paste and then apply like a face mask. Massage it onto the skin and leave it for no longer than 15 minutes before washing off with warm water. To use baking soda as a scrub, you can add a variety of ingredients depending on your skin type. You can mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with either moisturizer, lemon juice, honey, coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, toothpaste, oatmeal, or milk. Baking soda is often used to make cakes. Baking soda is often used as these ingredients mix until you get a smooth paste, adding the water if necessary. Apply to skin and scrub like a normal exfoliator, massaging it to the skin before washing off with the warm water. Avoid using them more than twice a week. A third way to add baking soda to your beauty routine is to mix a small amount into your everyday facial cleanser to give it a boost. For this, use no more than half a teaspoon and mix into your hand before applying onto your face. Use as a normal, but make sure not to add the powder more than twice a week. If you have a concentrated breakout and want to focus the baking soda there, make a paste from 2 teaspoons of the powder and water. Apply directly onto the spot and bump. Leave it for 20 minutes. It may form a crust or begin to harden, which is normal. Just ensure you wash it off thoroughly. Thanks for watching the video. We hope the video turns out to be helpful. Also do subscribe your favorite health channel for amazing hacks, remedies, and information.